live. I am live. And I am cruising in Enugu, the heartland of Igbo nation. I think it rains, well, I don't think it rains today. Driving from Anambra State back to Enugu. As many of you will know, is the headquarter of the media group that includes the media TV, the news, and other business interests that concerns. So, I have at the Holy Ghost Park, over 50 stuck in traffic. So for many of you who are joining me, and for those of you who are missing Enugu, I would do us a favor by showing us the streets of Enugu. So, I'm headed to, I think, maybe I should head to Enugu State, International Airport. Now, there is too much traffic today, be it in Onitsha. Those that left around 5 o'clock heading to Lagos, as of 9:30 to 10, they were still stuck. They haven't crossed over. I mean, those that left like Nnewi, Nobi, isn't it? Agolo, wherever, 5:30, 5, 6. As of 10 o'clock this morning, 9:30, 10, they haven't crossed over the Niger Bridge. What it means is very simple. The traffic is unbelievable. Part of the reason why the traffic was, why you had a heavy traffic today is because of the sit at home tomorrow. So, many people still think that the sit at home doesn't hold. Of course it does. But now, it probably doesn't hold for so long. But at least sit at home occurs early in the morning. So the reason why many people came into Enugu is to stay in Enugu and make sure they are in their houses before the sit at home tomorrow. But again, one must not fail to say that the impact, the economic impact is getting to the people. I hope and I believe and I pray that people would. This is ShopRite. I think this is ShopRite on my left. So for those of you who do not know, look, this is ShopRite. That's ShopRite on my left here. So I'm using so don't think I'm holding my camera while I'm driving. I'm using a dash mount. See the madness I'm telling you now. The light says go because it is straight on, but those moving left, the light hold. But one thing that is very clear also is that people do not obey traffic. I hope to show us that people do not obey traffic. I hope to see traffic light. I hope to see another traffic light, and you will definitely see that okay, this one straight on says go. So I'm going to put it in. My left here shows that the person coming from the left will not obey the traffic. If not, you can't. But even when I stay on the lane here, and the traffic light says stop, and I stop, someone at my back will be honking. So like what I was saying before, there will be this January, February, March some economic hardship, probably because the working days has been significantly reduced. People have gone home to spend their money, and now things are might be a little bit harder for the new year. You have to pity many of us, and those of us here in Grand Zero, many of us who make a living here every single day, still keeping our heads up, still thinking straight. It's not easy. Where everyone, almost everyone, and many people appear to be insane, it is very difficult to see people who are sane. No insult intended. You know? In my conversation with Peter Obi, the former governor of Anambra State, he joined me in my car and we had a very fantastic conversation, which I wanted it to be a live video, but we couldn't make it live because the network in Anambra was abysmal. And this keeps happening every year. People come home, the network total collapse. That's why you haven't seen me do my Friday hangout, because I'm in my village, and sadly in the village there is virtually no network strong enough to carry whatever that is happening. So, and I say, wish me and wish ourselves a happy new year. So I want to see your comments. Let's see your comments. Happy New Year. Wish me, MaaziEzeoke. Happy New Year. On my right is the 82 Division Enugu. That is the military command day secondary school, Ababa, Cantonment. You see, on my left you can see the armored Ababa Cantonment here. So, people, it's not been easy. Now heading to the international airport. Obviously, you will see my comprehensive video maybe within next week. You see that published, and probably if I find time today, later today, I might head to Ebonyi to bring us up to date information regarding the progress of Abakaliki International Airport. The last time I was there, very impressive job, I must say. I like what I see. So you see what I'm telling you guys. Organized madness now. You see, everybody's driving. Look at this one. I think many people are going right. So, right is straight. But no one would allow you. See? I'm indicating to turn right, but no one cares. You see what I mean? You cannot drive here insane. See? You can't drive here and remain sane. You definitely go insane. Go. That's what people don't do. People don't, give others chance to change lane. Everybody is in a hurry. It only takes you about 2 seconds or 3 seconds max. You allow someone else who wants to change lane, but yeah, no. Why would they allow you to change lane? No. Everything is a fight. Okay, see. Look. On my left. See? Total collapse. Total. This is what you see. This is it. That's where there is this logjam here. Total chaos. Now tell me, what can government do? Someone was suggesting the other day that what government should be doing, or what law enforcement should be doing, that when people do something like this, okay, look at the guy in my front, he's confused. Just want to know, go left, go right. He's hugging this lane. He should be on the right so that I can overtake him from the left. But he's not clearing the road. Now he has, because I flashed him on. See? Organized madness. That's what I call it. We hope no sudden money mistakes, but those are the game money mistakes. That's you're watching me from the diaspora, let me know where you're watching me from, and let me know if you're missing home. Flyover. Okay, how many flyover they go build? Let me know if you're watching me. So if I turn right and keep right, I'll head Port Harcourt Enugu Expressway, but I'll be turning my left. I'll be turning left to enter Abakaliki. So I might head to you're missing home from Sweden. Okay. Do Christmas for Maazi now. See, none of you don't do Christmas for yourself. Now, true, I nearly forgot. Like the video, share the video, you know. Now that I would have born, no be water would have born. Like the video, share the video. So this is not magic. So if I turn my right now, I'm heading to Abakaliki Road. See? 042 for life. Yeah, I'll tell you. 042. I'm going to try and see if I'll do my live, you know, my hangout with Pami. And if you see the Pami right there around, you're going to say, it'll be here. You won't see the Pami. Some of you want to see the Pami. Dear. Some of you want to see the Pami, right? Okay. So let me show you my friend. For many of you who do not know, this is 042 for life. So if you turn your right, you get to, if I use the ground, I'm heading to Abakaliki, but now I'm turning left, meaning I'm headed to Enugu International, Canadian International Airport, Enugu. That's where I'm headed to now. You know, whenever I drive into Canadian International Airport, everybody is scared of MaaziEzeoke. I say, MaaziEzeoke is not fighting. The only thing that MaaziEzeoke does is the tormentor of bad governance. Tormentor. Anything that has to do with bad governance in the Southeast, they run. That's why Imo State and Abia State don't like me. But who cares? If you give me the opportunity, tomorrow morning I will pitch both Imo State and Abia State government because both of them are waste of space. Especially Abia State. The worst infiltration. Look, you can never see anywhere in Abada you can drive like this. There are some potholes here and there, but at least Enugu and Anambra remains the top notch. Maybe on a different level when you drive on Abakaliki. Do you know that Buhari and Dave Umahi has been in office at the same time? But it is visible to the... So people, see, left is... You can see the airport on my left. So that's it. So that is the airport on my left now. And... so that's it, people, for the short live stream. If you're missing home, make sure you're subscribed to Njinji Media TV. I'll be giving you live updates anywhere internet permits, but most times internet doesn't. There is nothing I can do. But if internet permits, you always join me whenever and wherever I go. You'll be joining me wherever I go. Now, this is MNF for you. Let me show us this. This is MNF. I want to go into one of the streets in MNF. While I commend the governor of Enugu State for doing a great job in the city, or rather in the Enugu metropolis, this is MNF. At my back is the airport. And this is the type of road that you see in MNF. Governor Uguanya will say this is a shame. A shame that Enugu State, these are people that voted for you. And these roads are like this. All the streets are like this. Look at this car parked on the left. See, the streets are like this. Governor Guanya, and I say to you, this is unacceptable. Yes, MaaziEzeoke speaking, the tormentor of bad governance. This is unbelievable. While I show you guys the best, the good, I show you the bad and the ugly. See the way I drive now? I'm driving as if my car is egg, because you cannot speed on these bad roads. What is the name of this street again?
Mainland.
No, this street. This is mainland, Enugu, I know. Eh?
Mainland.
The road.
Mainland.
Oh, okay. Okay. So I'm in mainland Enugu. Governor Guanya, please, you're not doing very well in mainland Enugu. Please. Look at the street on my right, people. Not gonna follow me. Look. Now human beings they live there. Look, this is not good. Now human beings they live here. The same way I went to Okpoko 2 days ago to set an agenda for Professor Charles Chukwu Masoludo. To set an agenda for Professor. Please, if you want me to go to Anambra Airport, I'm not going to do Christmas and New Year combined, so I could buy data. See bus parked on the street, covered in dust. Now, wow, mainland Enugu. So people, I will be turning back. Let me show us this street, so that you people will see one of the streets. You know, at least. I think if we go straight, what's that church there? Emmanuel Catholic Church is on my right. So let's take one of the streets here. Now look at this street. This is mainland Enugu. What's the name of this street? Uzubi Street. Look at it. Ugwani, you're not doing right. Come on now. On the distance you're doing, but this one's Ugwani, not be like this. How about? Yeah? Enugu MNA people, please, this is Uzubi Street. Ugwani, surprise me. Fix these things in 6 months. Then the media will come back and say, you've done a good job. We'll get to the end, we'll come back, okay? So let me, Uzubi Street, if you join it from the other side, look at it, people. If you're watching me and your essay to Ugwani, forward this to him. If you're watching me and Ugwani is your brother, forward this to him. I do nothing but to torment bad governance. Like and share the video. Like and share the video. You see? Let me know where you are watching MaaziEzeoke from. MaaziEzeoke, Holy Trinity Anglican Church, is tormenting bad governance in the Southeast. They don't like it. I show you the good, the bad, and I show you the ugly as well. Okay. Now, if I turn, what's the name of this one?
Bank Street.
Okay, now this is Bank Street. Let me show you something, people. Bank Street. Is there any bank here? First Bank. Okay, look at now. Look. Pay attention to the floor. You can hear the squeaky on the car. No, how about? Ugwani, pity for the people of MNN. Forward this video to Governor Ugwani. If I had gone to the airport and only shown you the good streets, you will not believe that something like this is directly in front of the airport. What's the name of this street? Now, okay, let me show. Before I turn back, let me show us the railway. Yeah, this is now called across the rail, but let me show us the rail. This is the rail. You can see that no train has ever gone here, maybe 20 years or 50 years to myself. And on the right, you can see this is rail track covered by bush. And here Buhari is building rail. Buhari is now so they build the rail. Now so then they built the rail. Now so while I knock federal government, I knock state government. I knock local government. So me na knocker. I did knock all of them. I knock Buhari. I knock Amechi. This is where they because if a train is coming from Port Harcourt to Enugu, it will pass here, and they will tell us we're building a rail tracks from here to Niger, standard gauge. When it comes to the one that will go through Enugu, Port Harcourt to Medugri, it will be what's it called, narrow gauge. Please, I will go back before my car knocks into. This is something the road, the roads in Enugu is come on now, come on. Huh? Now look people, to my front, you will see what I mean. See how those cars in my front are moving. Yeah? See what I mean? I think these things are actually worse than I thought. They're actually worse than I thought. Governor Uguani, I took my glasses off. Hold on, let me go back because I think I'm blocking the road. Jeez. Oh, wow. Let me back well. Governor Uguani, now can you back and walk? Can you walk and walk? I can see no more every look at you, my name of governor. When you watch this video and love as one MaaziEzeoke is saying that you would have failed the people of MNN if you do not come into MNN. Even now across the rail, the mainland Enugu. That's not good. The other day, last 2 weeks, I was at Kehana Beba Abai MNite, yes. Man, MNite, front and back, across the rail. Nothing to write home about. I was told that this side is also bad. And you know what I do? I don't do on hearsay. 3 days ago, I went to Second Niger Bridge. I will tell us. Man, Second Niger Bridge, amazing job going on there. I'm telling you. You don't like it? Sorry. But amazing job going on there. So I knock federal government. If you go to Onitsha Enugu Expressway, there are sections that are good, Umunya area, but there are sections that were terrible. Look, I'm going back. Please, if you are here, forward this to Governor Uguani. Look at this. The bushes you see, this is the rail track. Rail track. People, we can do better. So we have to see how narrow it is. The whole place is. You need to wait for the upcoming traffic to come. So, Ginger Media is not in the business of making friends. So, like I said, when these things are done, all of us will benefit. But what I can show us from MNN by not fixing these places, I cannot tell you that enough. All the streets in MNN are like this. This is terrible. 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 I like when I drive at Independent there, but again, it's not only for the elite. Why must the elite only have the best of the best and the poor, have the worst? This road could have been tarred. When you could use paving stone on this road, they are cheaper. Huh? Easy to maintain. Please, Governor Uguani. Abia State, I'm coming. Imo State, I'm coming. Wait for me. Ebonyi, wait for me. All these things you people are hiding. I will go street by street and I will show everybody. What can you do? I'm at peace with Chukwu Abiyama. I'm at peace with my Creator. I'm doing that which the Creator of heaven and earth has called me to do. So people, someone is at my back. Let me clear for them. Clear road for Jaga Jaga. So people, what I'm trying to do, let me Ugwanyi, for the final time, please fix Enugu, MNN, not any, fix MNN. The routes, if you are not aware, if your PAs, if your essays are not telling you the truth. MaaziEzeoke, today is what date again? Today is Sunday, the 9th, Sunday 9th of January 2022, and the time now